26, 27, 28.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Let us do some ankle straightening, guys. Let's go, let's go. Ankle, we're gonna straighten today, right? There goes. So we're gonna straighten the ankle. Yeah. 2, 3, and we pull in the belly at the same time. We pull in the stomach, the tummy, while we're doing this one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count with me, guys. 8, 30, guys. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So pull in the stomach at the same time. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And you're going to do 30 on this as well, right, guys? So let's move on to the next 30 on this other leg, guys. So we change over. So we did 30 on this leg. So we're changing over now for this 30. And this is for person who has weak ankle, guys. This exercise, if you have weak ankle, nevertheless, for those who don't have weak ankle, we can just do this exercise. You see, right? Yes, let's go. All right, so let's go, guys. 30, right? So we're gonna pull in the stomach. Now remember, we're gonna pull in the stomach as we do. Alright? One. So we're gonna straighten the knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the knees straight. 9, 10. Keep the stomach in. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to inhale 16, inhale 17, exhale, inhale, hold it, 18, let it go, 19, hold it, let it go, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. For those who are here, my friends that are watching, haven't subscribed as yet. What are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thank you, guys.